Let x be a continuous random variable with density function given below. Find p such that e of x equals 2. So we just write the definition. E of x we know is the integral of x f x. And this function is defined only for x bigger than 1. So the integral will go from 1 to infinity. And the fx is p minus 1 over xp. P minus 1 over xp for the fx. And then p minus 1 is a constant that can be pulled out. Remember, the integration variable is decided by this dx. So that means x is the integration variable. Everything else is constant. So p minus 1 is pulled out. And this is x power 1. This is x power p. So it combines into x power 1 minus p. And the integral of x power 1 minus p would be x power 2 minus p over 2 minus p. And that will be from 1 to infinity, the power rule. And when you substitute, you get infinity power 2 minus p minus 1 power 2 minus p. So now infinity power k is 0 if k is negative, because then it becomes 1 over infinity power k, 1 over infinity power a positive thing, and so that's 1 over infinity, that's 0. And infinity power k is infinity if k is positive. So positive powers of infinity are infinity, and negative powers of infinity are 0. So now uh, for the expected value to be equal to 2, which is what we are asked, we cannot have infinity running around here, because then that expected value would be infinity. So we must have this situation that k is less than 0, or the power of infinity is less than 0. So 2 minus p must be less than 0 for us to have a finite expected value, which is necessary in order to have it equal to 2. So 2 minus p is less than 0. That means p is bigger than 2. So then this equation becomes, this becomes 0 then. And minus 1 power anything is 1. So 0 minus 1 here. So 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So multiplying this with negative 1 means that this order can be reversed. So that be 1 minus p over 2 minus p. So that's the expected value. And the question was to find p so that the expected value is 2. So you set this expected value equal to 2. So this 2 minus p gets multiplied here. So that's 4 minus 2p. So this ends up giving you p equals 3. That was choice C.